Hey tribe, welcome back to Made for Locs channel. If you are new here, my name is Tara. I'm the CEO of Made for Locs, and you're like, locks, girl, I don't see no locks. So if you have not caught up yet, go back and watch some of my videos where I cut off my locks and I'm restarting my lock journey. But for now, I'm taking a break for the summer. I absolutely miss my locks. Bad. I miss my locks, but I did want to come in. I did tell you guys I wanted to keep you on the journey with me. So this is the stage where I'm just having fun. It is August. Today is, let me see when I'm filming this. Today is August 22nd. Jeez, I feel like August just started. But for most of you guys, summer's over. Kids are back to school. I know my kids are back to school. And so I got a lot of time. I got a lot of time now, and I'm just having so much fun. I'm getting ready for a meeting right now, and I was like, you guys need to help me decide which wig to wear. So I've been doing a lot of things over the summer with my hair, mostly leaving it alone. So I did I did a shoulder chop, if you're like getting caught up. So I did a shoulder chop with my locks, and then I did a big chop. So I chopped it all off, and then child, I'm gonna insert some clips. But your girl kept doing this. Because when you've had hair for so long, you're just like, I'm like, girl, there's no hair to put behind the ear. So that definitely took a lot of adjusting to do. So immediately the first week, I went and got braids back. Because I'm like, this is crazy. Like, so I got braids back. This is what that looked like. Super cute. I loved it. I still felt bald. I still felt bald. So started experimenting with wigs. I'm Jamaican, so I grew up seeing a lot of women in my family wearing wigs, different styles. The typical Jamaican does not keep a hairstyle for too long. And so I think I'm in my Jamaican era. If you may say, I'm in my Jamaican era. I've been having a lot of fun with it. So this summer I tried this bob. It was like a red bob. I forgot where we were going. It was like a cowboy theme event. And child, I think I threw away that wig after the first night of wearing it. I threw it out. I was like, you're cute for tonight, but that's it. And then I tried a few others. I don't think I have pictures of them. But the one I fell in love with was this one. I don't have a name for her yet, but I've been wearing her like crazy. I think she's done with me. And so actually I'm going to wear her today or this one. I kind of like the red. So this one I literally got from Amazon, y'all. It just came. I got it yesterday from Amazon for like $27. Like, like she cute, right? 27 bucks, child. But for the meeting that I'm going to, it's like, I think this is going to be their first impression of me, and I don't want it to be like, so I think I'm gonna tone it down a little bit more. I think this is great for like a fun date night or just hanging out with the girls. This is a date, like a night look, because it's bright. I didn't expect the red to be this bright, but I do love it. So let me know, do you like this one? And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna switch to the one I actually like, because I'm on time. I gotta go. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. This is her. I need to kind of like spruce her up a little bit. But look at her. Like, she's frizzed the way out because, child, I've been wearing this thing out. You hear me? But I love the color highlights. I love the length of her. She gives natural. I think why I love it so much is because before I had locks, in my teens, early 20s, my hair was literally like this, and I would change colors all the time. So I think this is why I'm so comfortable with her. And your girl always had a bang, always had a bang. So I'm gonna use some refresher spray because I love when my wigs smell good. I love when it smells good. And I'm gonna use our oil spray. So I have been using all of our products. The one product I am totally living by, especially when my hair is out, is our gel. Let me just mute my phone, my bad. Is our styling gel for my edges, and our mousse. Our mousse pops my curls so good. I love it. And child, your girl's using brush now. So just gonna brush her up a little bit, pull her a little bit back, and She is just easy. I do need a flat iron to kind of maybe give her some curls or something, but I don't own a flat iron. I need to go borrow one from a friend because I don't want to buy one. And so where I'm at in the process now, I definitely miss my locks tremendously. I don't know how y'all do it. Getting up doing this type of stuff every morning is just not for me. I'm a get up and go type of chick. And maybe this is a lot. This is a lot. So I'm definitely going to start my lock journey soon, super soon. And I'm leaning towards micro locks. I am in North Carolina, so I am currently researching. I see the flip chart. I'm researching to find a loctician to start my locks. So if you know anyone, they gotta have a salon. Like, I'm not gonna buy the yard, no shade. But I do want somebody with a salon, preferably. So if you know somebody, send them my way. They gotta be on time. So cute. She's so cute. And on the lips, y'all, I mixed these two. Our pink lock star, our lock stick. So we have lock stick and our ruby lock bay. So these two are on the lips. I put the pink lock star in here so it gets like a nice pop of pink. It looks really better in person. And the ruby lock bay is around this part. And it's like makes your teeth look super white and pretty. So perfect. The streaks are so cute. I wish you guys, I'm probably going to take a picture of my whole outfit, but I am in my mint green era. I'm in green, like any type of green, citron, mint green, like I am just in my green era. And so that's on the nails. I have on like this. Let me jump. Why am I jumping? Child, a whole fool. Like, I'm gonna take another picture for you guys, but yeah, I am ready for my day. When I have this on, I don't really put on like a earring per se. I just feel like it's a lot. Because I'm also adjusting to these things, especially if it's hot. Today's not so hot, so I'm good. But she cute. I'm ready. Child, I'm gonna use to cool. I'm gonna use to brush. This is just all so funny. But yes, I totally miss my locks. I am ready to dive back in so a girl could just get up and go. Shout out to all my ladies that do this on a regular. Switch it up on a regular. It is totally fun, but it's just not for me. I am having fun. I'm having fun, yes, but I miss my lock journey and I'm super excited to get started back. For now, I'm just having some fun. Yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know below. If you have any questions about lock journey or just this transition, definitely let me go. But like I said before in all of my video, change is so beautiful. I've definitely discovered a lot about myself during the last 2 months. Has it been 2 months? Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I've discovered a lot about myself, a lot about this journey, a lot about why I love my locks. And I'm happy where I'm at. And I'm excited to take you guys, like I promised, on this journey with me. So don't be afraid of change. At first, it's super uncomfortable. Because baby, the first couple days, I was like, what am I doing? It's just curling back up. I feel ball. But it brings a lot of discomfort. Change brings a lot of discomfort. But when you sit in it long enough, if it is good for you, it's so worth it. And so I'm excited for where I'm at in life and transitioning with just this small phase of my life with my hair. Definitely not my hair. And that was one of the biggest things, like to just showcase, like, you know, we are not our hair. We can switch it up. We can make choices. That doesn't have to offend anyone. And if it does, peace. But yeah, it's been a beautiful journey. Thank you guys for your support. I read all your comments on all the other videos, and it definitely uplifts me and it helps a lot. So thank you guys for your beautiful words, and for checking in. A lot of you guys have DM'd me on my personal Instagram, which is down right now. Like, I'm taking a sabbatical off of that. But you guys have been sending me love there, and you guys have been seeing the wigs and stuff. I share more in my story over there, but thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.